Welcome back, Adam.
Okay, sorry about that technical
That's okay.
glitch. There's always something to go wrong. But are we ready to start now?
We're ready to start.
Okay, good. So today what I wanted to share with you and with everybody at home is this idea of becoming a data explorer. Because let's be honest, if you're a teacher in the classroom and you're trying to convince your students to use data, it can look like a whole lot of spreadsheets and a whole lot of boring stuff. And nobody gets excited by spreadsheets, let's be honest, but we do get excited by stories. And if you become a data explorer, you can start to go on an adventure with data and really discover something new. And I'm going to show you some of the adventures that I take my students with, and some of them are really weird, so hold on to your hats. But let's start off with, who is this egomaniac in front of the camera? Well, my unpronounceable name is Adam Montandan, and I have the most wonderful job in the world because I get to work as an associate professor at the design school in Kolding and at the SDU University in Unsa. And the fun thing is I teach artists at the design school and engineers at the university, and sometimes I get mixed up. So I'll teach art to engineers and engineering to artists, just to really put me through my paces. And of course, a big passion of mine is with TED Talks. Many of you will have seen the world famous TED and TEDx talks online. And I'm the curator for TEDx Unsa, which means behind the scenes, I get to figure out what are the big ideas, what is the interesting data, what are the unusual things that we can take and explain to the public in new and interesting ways. Because what I really care about is not just the numbers on the screen, but the stories that we tell behind those numbers of the screen. How do we find them? How do we get them? And the best way that we can get them is by going on an adventure. When we think about data, it's no good to think about data as something boring, as something static. This is the real thing. This is the going through the jungle, take your machete and hack your way through till you find whatever treasures are left on the other side. And we can unlock all kinds of amazing things.